Shoaib, what are you doing here?
Hello, hi.
Oh, the girl is singing a song.
The music, yes.
Yeah.
The voice is amazing, isn't it?
Yes, this is. You can see a lot of people. You know, it is a tourist spot, and a lot of people here. They are enjoying their weekend in here. So.
Yes.
Hi, Shoaib.
Hello.
Where are we going?
For 100 we are going to collect your BRP.
So here we are, and we are going to the post office
Yes, we are.
to collect our BRP. And
Do
we
you
are.
even know what is BRP?
So.
So at the end, I'll be standing here with a hat, and I'll invite all of you just to come forwards and make a contribution to the show. No one's laughing now, are they? In fact, some of you are looking a little confused. It's all right. You're probably just wondering how much to give. Please don't worry. I can help. The average contribution to a show like this, £2 or £3 each, the price of a coffee. If you give me that today, I'll go home happy. Guys, if you can afford more, some people can, and you give me £5 or even £10 today, well, that'd be lovely. It'd really mean a lot, and I'll go home really happy. Give me £20, I'll go home with you. Everybody clap, this is it. Louder.
What is this?
ये मैप है सिटी का, यॉर्क सिटी का मैप है।
And where we live?
हम इस टाइम जो है we are here. So it says you are here. हम यहाँ पे हैं, तो हमने जहाँ पे भी जाना होगा, तो ये सारा सर्कल जो है, अगर हमने इस साइड पे जाना है, इधर जाना है, जहाँ पे भी जाना है, तो ये 5 minutes वॉक पे है. So it means that if you want to go here from here, जहाँ पे हम खड़े हैं, तो हमें 5 मिनट लगेंगे यहाँ पे पहुँचने में. ये सारा मैप है. ये गाड़ियों का भी उन्होंने बताया हुआ है, कौन से बस स्टेशन हैं, कहाँ पे बसेस जो है वो आके रुकेंगी, आपको कहाँ से मिलेंगी. दिस इज़ यॉर्क मिनिस्टर. ये यॉर्क मिनिस्टर है. ये जो पीछे बिल्डिंग मैं आपको दिखा रहा था, वो बड़ी सी पुरानी बिल्डिंग है.